Properties of water. What floats and what sinks? Take a plastic bottle and put it in water. What happens to it? Does it sink in the water? No, it floats on the water. Now take a key and put it in the water. What happens to it? It sinks in the water. Why does a plastic bottle float on water while a key sinks? It happens because of the weight of the objects. The heaviness or lightness of the object is called its density. If an object has density less than water, it will float, and if an object has density more than water, it will sink. The plastic bottle having lesser density floats on water, while a key made of steel has density more than water and hence it sinks. Let's learn the procedure in more detail. An object floats when the weight force on the object is balanced by the upward push of the water on the object and the water pushed by the object. If the weight force down is larger than the upward push of the water on the object and it is not able to push away the water equal to its own weight, then the object will sink. But if an object is able to push away water having the amount equal to the weight of itself, then the object will float. Many objects that are hollow float because the hollow sections increase the volume of the object and so the upward push of water. However, it is not necessary for an object to contain air in order to float. Mixing in water. When a substance such as sugar is mixed in water, it becomes invisible to naked eyes, while a substance such as sand is visible as it does not mix with it and layers down in the glass. Substances which have an ability to mix or dissolve in water are called soluble substances. Salt and sugar are soluble substances because they dissolve in water. Substances which do not mix or dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Wood, sand, and soil are insoluble in water. Some liquids can mix with each other, but all liquids cannot mix. For example, water and milk mix with each other, but oil and water do not mix with each other. Vocabulary cards. Piaus, a place where free drinking water is provided to one and all. Step wells, huge water reservoirs dug into the ground. Irrigation, the artificial act of supplying water to soil for farming. Density, the heaviness or lightness of the object.